To start with, I obviously had to rip out the floor that was currently in it. Luckily, in my case, it was a floor that I laid about 2 years before, a bamboo laminate floor. So good thing is I can actually use it as a template. Next thing I did was check over the metal floor in the back to see if there's any rust patches or anything. But to be fair, mine was it was mainly just dirt, and there was a couple of surface rust areas, and all I did was treat it and paint it. The flooring I went with is Oak Effect click together laminate flooring from B&M. Funny thing is, I actually went to B&M looking for Lino, and then I saw that and thought to myself, actually that'd work a lot better. So ended up buying 3 packs of that. Only used 2. I've still got one in the garage. The first thing I did was I laid a lot of it out on the floor, clicked it together so it was all roughly the size I needed. Then I put the old floor on top, marked around it, and then I was able to get the exact shape for the inside of my van. So what I did then was unclick it all and start cutting it up with the jigsaw. And anyway, yeah, so the first thing I'd done was lay the plastic sheeting underneath that was underneath the old floor. A lot of people will be like, oh God, when you put flooring down in vans, you've got to put a piece of wood down, you've got to put all this foam down and stuff. Seeing as God, 90% of my floor is going to be covered by units and bench seats, and there's literally just going to be a tiny walkway up the middle. I don't really need any of that, to be fair. I'm all right as it is. Then it was just a case of clicking it together, making some templates and cutting some bits for the bits that I didn't manage to get off the old floor, and that's it. Job's a good one. Floor's together. This is how it looks. And on my next video, I'll be showing you how I made a camper interior unit, thingamajiggy, whatever you want to call it, out of a 100-year-old Burmese tiger wood antique cabinet.